Hello there! Welcome to another day in Lógica MX. Today we will introduce you to the series New Perspectives on Anomalies in the Sciences. But first of all, what is an anomaly? Traditionally, anomalies have been characterized as consisting of the presence of a statement, generally some kind of observational outcome, such that when combined with a particular theory and its predictions, and with a ceteris paribus clause, the statement becomes a potential falsifying statement for the theory. Anomalies, broadly speaking, can be of two different types. Information gaps, also called a Kuhn, linked to abductive novelties, and logical contradictions. The presence of anomalies in the history of science has been ubiquitous and tends to be naturally seen as part of the dynamics of scientific development. However, in spite of this, our philosophical understanding of anomalies remains very limited. Many of our current philosophical approaches to science see anomalies as temporary stepping stones for scientific development, whose most important contribution is to trigger the building of new theoretical frameworks. Nonetheless, anomalies are much more than that. A deep philosophical analysis of anomalies in science could reveal important aspects of both scientific methodology and human rationality. In particular, it could shed light on the ways in which agents preserve sensible reasoning when working with very defective information in scientific context, either gaps or contradictions, among others, as well as on how scientific communities respond to new evidence and how anomalies tend to lead to new discoveries and scientific breakthroughs. The video series New Perspectives on Anomalies in the Sciences is the result of a workshop with the same name. This workshop took place in early October 2023 at the Federal University of Rio de Janeiro in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The workshop aimed at shedding light on novel ways to characterize, reconstruct, and explain anomalies in different areas of scientific research, either using informal or formal resources from philosophy and other disciplines. Some of the topics that were discussed in this workshop included the role of logic and logics in handling anomalies in science, distinct inferential mechanisms that could underlie the phenomenon of handling anomalies in the sciences, formal reconstructions of historical anomalies, among others. The ontological status of anomalies, meaning the nature of anomalies in science, the limits of scientific research programs around these anomalies, and so on. Also, it was discussed the epistemical significance of anomalies, the relation with ignorance, knowledge, and scientific understanding, as well as the social and cultural dimensions of anomalies. This is how scientific communities responded to new evidence, how scientific communities responded to anomalies, as well as the methodological challenges of studying anomalies. The methodological challenges involve in identifying, studying, and interpreting anomalies in different scientific disciplines at different historical moments. The video series in the channel includes 8 of the 10 talks that were given at such a workshop. If you attended the event, or if you missed it, or if you are just hearing about it for the first time, we hope you are able to enjoy such wonderful talks over and over again through our platform. That said, we leave you to it, and we look forward to seeing you in another of the Lógica MX activities. Have a great day.